Hello, everybody. We have very incredible panelists in this session. And as I was saying, this is the last thematic session. And when Kayla and I were putting the agenda together, we wanted a session that it has never been discussed before. And we wanted to talk on a conversation that it has been brought up in many international national fora, which is what happens after 2030. So, as we all know, as I mentioned yesterday, 2025 marks 10 years since the establishment of SDGs in youth, but it also marks 10 years since the SDGs were established. We are 5 years away from 2030, and as the Sustainable Development Report and many other reports showcase, we are nowhere near achieving the SDGs. And we already know we are not going to achieve the SDGs. Does this mean that we are going to die? No, because look at this room. We are filled with hope. It just means that we need to have more ambition and we need to change the plan so we can meaningfully build a sustainable future, regardless whether there is a framework or not. Previous to the SDGs, we have the Millennial Goals. That didn't stop us to continue believing in a sustainable future. So in today's panel, this is going to be our discussion, and we are going to be hearing from very insightful leaders, which I'm going to be introducing in a minute, but they come from diverse backgrounds and diverse perspectives, and I think it's going to lead to a very insightful conversation, and one that we haven't had. We kind of had, but we haven't had yet, and it's looking straight to the future.